HKD stock on 13 January. So let's see what the steps in this video about sub AMTD digital. Okay, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like for this video, because this is going to be very important to be explained in order to know what are the basics on this stock. Okay, so we have to put in our mind that it's going to be the HKD stock explanation for traders and for a lot of people who started to invest on this stock. So it's going to be about the making such a lot of things that we could take care in our mind, and we put a lot of things that is going to be in our brain, because that is going to be things that we want to focus on very well. So since we can have the start of HKD from this level, okay, we were on 2022 on 20 July, okay, on Wednesday, so we can go for Thursday here, and it started to increase with a spike a lot. But all of these things that had been made since we were on this day, and then we ended on this day, we can go for 30-minute update, maybe for 15 minutes update. Why? Because it's going to be depending also on candles interactions with waves. Okay, maybe also the trend lines with candles, maybe waves with with trend lines. Okay, all of these relationships are going to be explained in this video. Okay, just if you are going to have and thing that you want to put such basics in any stocks or any kind of cryptocurrencies, maybe if you are going to invest HKD or AMTD digital, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's go for this easy steps that we want to mention. Okay, so we can see that increase in momentum on these levels, on these sides, like this form. Okay, because AMTD digital is still one of the stocks that can be in this form. Okay, since we can see this circle, okay, we can ignore these arrows that we drew because it has no benefit about what we see. So I think after we can let this first one constant here, and we don't remove it, so we can see the decrease after it, and then after it an increase. Okay, because we want to know what is going to be our mind, since HKD was to be like this, and if we want to know that AMTD digital is going to be what we wanted to know in our form here, this is going to be referring back to know that increase would be the majority for AMTD to happen. Is that because since we can have a spike from 60 USD, it was absolutely on no value. Okay, I know that because if we said a value of this value 2000 to compare to 60 USD, this is going to be huge difference. Okay, second thing we want to focus on also is going to be about the candles. It's going to be on green form, has numbers, had number of that is going to be more than the number of red candles. So it doesn't matter this is going to be like this or not, but all we need here is going to be a part where we have to know an increase in momentum with a spike, because since we can see the increase in momentum with a spike in this form is happening, we can know that the MTD digital is still constant to be increasing until it reach this level, which is going to be about 341. Okay, we can go for the right recommend, and we can check out what is going to be the type of this level, because we need only about 6 Fibonacci levels, maybe more. Okay, about seven Fibonacci levels, which one of them starts from 0 and it ends to 1 Fibonacci level. Okay, 0 Fibonacci level right now about a value of 70. Okay, Okay, that okay, that's okay for the spot. The spike was going for red candle, red area, maybe for blue area, but I think it's going to be for blue area because if we wanted to draw like this, okay, maybe it's going to be here, and then it wanted to make a straight form here, then it wanted to be touching this green area, and it resist and decrease, then resist, decrease, then emit and increase with green candles that we see here. So I think that is going to be a thing that we would devote our mind. Second thing that we want to see and mention is going to be like this. If we wanted to know the two slope lines, that is going to be the strategies that we want to explain. We have to know that the movement would be in this form. So the movement is this form is going to be giving us a feedback about AMTD digital or HKD. Okay, however, this is going to be helping us whether this AMTD digital to be like this or not. Okay, that is because since we can have this stock in this form, it will help us to know where it was going to be increased to make such an increase. Okay, maybe it can increase in 10 decrease because it has reached 0 1 Fibonacci level, but it's not going to be 0 1 Fibonacci level. It's going to be about 0 and half Fibonacci level, and then it made a continuous increase from a half Fibonacci level to the 1 Fibonacci level. Okay, the same manner that happened from 0 to half Fibonacci level, it would be done to 1 Fibonacci level to 0 Fibonacci level here. So we can put two trend lines. One of them is touching the highest resistance that has been reached in HKD until it can reach to the lowest support, which is going to be considered to the lowest value of the levels between 0 and 1 Fibonacci level, since it started to decrease from this resistance. Then we can put another trend line, and that is not going to touch anyone, and it's going to be touching only the last support here. At least maybe it can help it to know where it can this kind. Okay, it didn't touch this support, so that means it would start for making a new wave, and that is absolutely a thing that I can know about that price prediction news today and the explanation in the stock market analysis of HKD. And good luck on another episode about the price prediction in this video.